Welcome back to another App Tutor video, everyone. In today's iOS tutorial, we're going to show you how you can turn off or disable notifications while your iPhone is on standby mode. When in standby mode, incoming notifications are shown full screen, so if you don't want that, or you are distracted by those notifications and you want to disable them, then you can open the settings on your iPhone, and then we want to scroll a little bit down until you can see the standby option. Once you click on that, it will open another page where we have a couple of standby settings, which we can enable or disable. As you can see, we have this Show Notifications option, and it's turned on by default. So every time you plug your phone into a charger and place it horizontally, it will enter into standby mode, and whenever you get a notification on your iPhone, it will show up and take up the whole screen for a couple of seconds. But you can disable this and you won't get those annoying notifications while you're on standby mode from now on. Keep in mind that it says here that critical notifications will still be shown if this switch is off. But other notifications that are not that important will not be shown anymore, and you can enjoy. If you want more similar iPhone and other tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to App Tutor, and I will see you in the next video.